In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare PDF files in Adobe Acrobat. If you ever find yourself needing to verify the differences between two PDF documents, whether it's checking for text changes, image variations, or formatting updates, Adobe Acrobat's Compare Files tool is your go-to solution. This tool is exclusively available in the Pro version of Adobe Acrobat, so be sure you have access to that before we begin. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to go ahead and open up Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer. Once you've launched the program, pay close attention to the right-hand side where you'll find the Tools panel. From there, locate the Compare Files option. If, for any reason, it doesn't immediately stand out, you can always type Compare Files into the search bar within the Tools section, and it should pop right up for you. With the Compare Files tool now accessible, it's time to move on to selecting the PDFs you want to compare. In the Compare window that opens, you will see two sections, Old File and New File. Click on Select File under the Old File section to choose what you consider being the original version of your document. Then proceed by clicking Select File under the New File section to select the revised document you wish to compare against the original. If you want more tailored results, consider clicking on the Settings icon. This allows you to refine your comparison parameters so that you can ignore specific elements like headers, footers, or additional formatting differences that you decide are not crucial to your assessment. Once you've set that up, next comes the exciting part, starting the comparison. Simply click the Compare button. Now sit back momentarily as Acrobat processes both files. This tool will automatically analyze and highlight all the differences between the two documents. After the comparison process is complete, you'll see a summary report showing you all the changes. These are typically categorized into text changes, which could include insertions, deletions, or edits, format changes like variations in font or layout, and image or graphics changes. Use the navigation panel located on the left side of your screen to smoothly jump between each identified change, making your review process both efficient and comprehensive. Finally, if you want to keep a record of these differences, you have the option to export a comparison report. Just click on the Export Report option, and you'll be able to save a PDF summary of all the detected changes. This can be particularly useful for your records or if you need to share the results with colleagues or stakeholders. And there you have it, a robust yet straightforward way to compare PDF files using Adobe Acrobat. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more great content like this.